Now what you can do here is you can pick alternative routes. You can have your voice guidance, that's if you've got the software for that. Stop the simulation, but you can change the view so you go down to a different level, so it's a little bit more easier to follow. Again, there are a lot more features with the GPS that you can explore and use, and downloads for it as well. But as I said, if you're downloading the maps, I would recommend doing it via your PC, just so you don't get charged so much on your data connection. And that's it. How fantastic is that? So you heard it right, folks. This N95 has a 5 megapixel camera. It also has a Carl Zeiss optic lens. Now, Carl Zeiss are the world leaders in manufacturing lenses, eyeglasses and binoculars. And Nokia are going to include it in their N series photography devices. So to show you this, I'll pass over to Agent P.
Now, when you're taking a picture, you'll notice you have a menu on the side. So for example, you have scene modes, you have flash, you also have self-timer. Let's go into scene modes. Even if you're not a budding photographer, you've also got some definitions to actually explain what each of these things mean. So you've got close-up mode, portrait, landscape. Now you can also zoom by using the keys at the top, your volume buttons. So if you zoom in, once you think you're ready to take a picture, if you lightly press on the button there, okay, and you get the lights, you're ready to take your pic. Now once it's taken your picture, it will save it to your chosen memory. You're then able to send it if you wish. Okay, or you can even delete it if you wish. Now let's switch to video mode. Right, let's go outside and make a video.
Sounds good.
Right, let's make a video. Here comes Agent S with another handset. Now this is actually filming in DVD quality at about 30 frames per second. Let's pause there and let's see what else we can do with this. Now one of the special functions of this handset is the ability to connect it to your television, and you can also share pictures and you can even play videos off it. Now all you need is a Nokia video connectivity cable, which looks a bit like this, and it actually comes with a handset. Now one end you plug into the headphone socket of the phone, okay, and the other end goes into the AV input of a compatible television. It's quite important to get the colors right here, so if I just plug that in just here, you notice the phone display comes up on the screen. Now I'm going to press the media player side and it will take me into my gallery, and I can pick the video that we just made. Now I can send that, I can even delete it, but in this case what we're going to do is we're going to play it. Here comes Agent S with another handset. Now this is actually filming in DVD quality at about 30 frames per second. What are you up to there? You on the internet?
Yeah, I'm just looking at the training website.
Fantastic. Are you updating it?
Yeah.
Now the Nokia N95 actually has a built-in browser, so you can get full internet access on it. Now the Nokia N95 has full internet access, so you're able to browse on the internet using the slightly larger screen. Let's try that out. If I press the menu key here and select web, it will take me to the browser. And open up the keypad, I'm now able to type in a website address. And bear in mind, this is full internet, so you can see any site you like. If I press the Go To button, it will bring up my website. Now at the moment, because we're connected to a wireless LAN, we're able to use the Wi-Fi capabilities of this handset. So let's wait for it to load up. Now I can actually zoom into certain parts of the screen. I can now even select different areas of the website. So let's go into Sales Talk. The other way you can connect to the internet using this handset is using 3.5G, which is exactly 10 times faster than normal 3G, so it's super quick. And there you go. Sales Talk.
Now for the science bit. This is a computer. Computer has operating system, such as Windows XP or Windows Vista. This allows you to download applications to make it more tailored to your needs. Nokia N95. This also, like a computer, has operating system. S60. This allows you, like a computer, to download applications to give you a much better mobile life. But be careful where you download them from. We don't want you getting any viruses on your phone.
I've shown the guys everything that this phone has, but there's just one thing in the office menu. I just can't figure out what it is. This barcode reader? I just don't know what it is.
Yes, that brings us on to our interesting fact of the week.
Okay.
So let me show you.
There you go.
Okay, so Basically, it has a barcode reader on this phone. Now, what that can do is it can read messages that are hidden in specific barcodes. Okay, so here's one I created earlier. So if I go into the barcode reader and scan code, now, hopefully what this will do is it will focus on the code itself. It will pick it up and then it will say whatever message is inside. Now, on this one, it says, please email me your thoughts on the Nokia N95, and then it has my email address. So what someone will be able to do is select the email address and send an email straight from their handset. Okay? Now, the great thing is that you can make your own ones of these, and I'll show you how to do it. So if I put that down for the second, what you can do is go to the Nokia website, and it says create your own mobile codes. So if we click onto this, now it will give you options. To create your code, you can put a website link in it. So if you put the website link in it, it will highlight that on your phone and you can click onto it and it will take you in the browser to that actual website link. Or you can put text in it, so you'd be able to say anything that you wanted to. Or you could put your phone details in it. So you could put a mobile phone number in there. So when it pops up, you can just press call or enter it straight into your phone book. So imagine if you wanted to create one and put it onto a business card or something like that, that would be a good idea. So what you can do then, so if I wanted to put some text, I could just put, hi, my name is Agent E. Then what it does is it creates this mobile code up in the corner here. You can also change the size of the code and name it if you want to. So if I put it onto large, so it's a little bit bigger, then what you would do is you'd right click on that image and save it somewhere on your computer. It also gives you the HTML code, so if you'd like to embed it into a website, then you can do that. So let's see if this works. So we've just created this one here. So if we go back to our barcode scanner, we should be able to scan this code and hopefully it will come up with the message we just typed. There we go. Hi, my name is Agent G. Pretty nifty, huh? And that's what it does. It only reads 2D barcodes, but you can create your own and do whatever you want with it. Interesting. So, thanks once again for joining us in the lab. We've covered the Nokia N95, but there is loads more to know about this handset because you can adjust it to what you want it to be using the operating system. So make sure you do check out what applications you can get for this phone. You can check them out on Nokia's website, so please do have a look at that. So all in all, it's a great handset. You've got your media on there, you've got your music player, you've got your internet. What more could you want?
Yes, there is a thing in my pocket, but it's not one thing, it's many.
Okay, so till next time, see you then.